Hello, everyone. I just want to share with you some opportunities that could make you a little bit of money and could help us earn a little bit better. But Web321, we've been in business about 4 years now, doing a lot of WordPress support for companies, helping them keep their website in good working order. As our slogan says, we take care of websites. We took another run at setting up an affiliate program, and here you can find the URL. Company/become an affiliate. We also put it in the footer of our web321.co website, become an affiliate. And in short, what we have is a number of turnkey products, things that are easy to explain, easy to create the value proposition, and easy to sell. And what I want to talk about is how you could get on board with selling these as a Web321 affiliate. So in short, our commission structure looks like this. 10% commission on products. As clients renew a product that you've brought us together with, you get a renewed commission. If you get above 10 accounts, 10 to 20 accounts, you instead get 12% commission per account. 25 accounts, 13%. If you get up to 30 accounts, you get 14%. If you bring in 30 plus accounts, we'll give you 15% commission on all of them. And as they renew and stay in good working order, the relationship stays working, you'll see recurring revenue from that 15%. Some of the products we're offering here are a performance boost, a WordPress license pack, Web123 support, Web321 support. And these are all really great products that will help out businesses and help out website owners, help them make their website work better and basically do their business better. So the first one here is improve your website. It's a simple landing page where we talk about how people can improve their performance, and we've brought people up a great number of letter grades, and it's really helped them. This is sort of advice we're giving away for free, which we find is a really great way to actually get business because people see these things and they may look simple to an expert, but for somebody trying to just get a win on them, they are actually complicated. So what we've done is we've offered up introductory price for $199, of which that would be 10 to 15% for you. We do have other packages here. Let's just go to that page and talk about what we have. So the small business one is $399, but if they do a couple things to help us promote, we offer a discount. There's a $799 one for corporations that need a bump on their website from 21 to 100 pages. And then there's a quote. And those quotes, we've seen them come in, and they're anything from $1,000 to one of them. We were competing against another company that was trying to charge $30,000. So that's the sort of high end of what could be there and what you could see as a commission, or a chunk of that as a commission for this product. The second one is something we're calling the WordPress license pack. So the WordPress license pack is something we're offering to businesses, especially charities and nonprofits. We have a number of pro licenses that we can resell for. And what we're doing is we're offering all of these as a bundle, and we will install them for the given client, and we'll handle updates. And it's all for the cost of $399 a year. And this is really great value for an organization that may look at their WordPress and say, oh, we have to spend $600 or $1,000 a year to keep these running, and instead they're looking for a more affordable option, such as a $299 a year option that offers all these at discount, along with some help installing them and some help supporting them. So this one's another good product. It's easy to sell for anyone who really needs to save on their website or save on what they're doing with premium plugins. And then we have Web321 support, which, similar to Web321 the company, we're offering a plan that is $321 a month, and it offers domain registration, hosting, management, and a series of other supports. The details are at web321support.com. And this is everything that we would give a client. We offer it for $2,999 Canadian per year, which is actually $2,240 per year in US dollars. And that's our best value on this. We also have the monthly option, which is only $321 a month Canadian, or $240 US a month. So it's pretty good value, given that it bundles in hosting and all those premium plugins, domain registration, and keeps us on speed dial for support and ongoing service for the site. Again, web321.com. And then Web123 is a scaled down equivalent, and it comes with most of what Web321 offers, but it doesn't offer ongoing adjustments and tweaks. So it's a little bit less valuable, but the price is a lot more affordable. And again, it is $123 a month Canadian, $92 a month US, or $11.99 a year, or $8.99 a year in US dollars. So it is a pretty affordable package for a company that just wants to offload their work and not have to worry about the expense or the complexity of running a website and keeping in good working order. There's plenty of websites that I see out there that are just dead, and nobody knows how to bring them back. Nobody knows how to manage them. And that's the sort of work we take on. So as an affiliate selling these services for us, you'd be giving a lot of value to the people you make connections with. And in response, you would actually be seeing some good value come from that. As an affiliate, you could also tap into our blogs. We keep a healthy number of blogs rolling out there for ways to talk about what we offer and what we can do to help people who are using WordPress websites, talk about pain points, talk about advents in the industry, and stuff like that. So these are things that you could use to share out to kind of talk up or hook people who are looking for our services and you're looking to earn from the affiliate program. So what we suggest is, if you're interested in signing up for the affiliate program, go to become an affiliate here at Web321, company/become an affiliate, and the link is in the footer. And we look forward to hearing from you and getting things started. We'd really like to work with you. You have a great day.